Have you ever wondered what makes Whoppers so irresistibly crunchy on the inside and creamy on the outside? Let's dive into the delicious science behind these iconic treats. Whoppers, produced by Hershey Foods Company since 1996, are a classic blend of crunchy malted milk balls and creamy chocolate coating. They're peanut-free, making them a popular choice for those with nut allergies. The core of each Whopper is made from malted milk, which combines milk and cereal flavors into a crunchy center. This unique combination provides that satisfying crunch you love. The creamy chocolate coating is what gives Whoppers their decadent taste and smooth texture. The chocolate layer encases each malted milk ball, ensuring a rich flavor in every bite. Whoppers have been a nostalgic treat for many years, offering a delightful mix of textures and flavors. Their popularity stems from the perfect marriage of crunchy malted milk and smooth chocolate. These candies are versatile in culinary applications, often used as a topping for cookies, cupcakes, and other desserts. Their unique flavor profile makes them a great addition to various sweet treats. So next time you enjoy a Whopper, remember it's not just candy, it's a delightful blend of textures and flavors that has delighted palates since the mid-20th century. What makes Whoppers stand out in your mind? Is it their unique texture or flavor? Share your thoughts and experiences with these classic treats in the comments below.